Hello guys. Previous video we have discussed how to improve your sales. Now we will discuss why Fiverr is the best place for you if you are a buyer or a business owner. And tips you need to start buying. So first we need to know what is Fiverr. Fiverr is an online freelance marketplace. It is a popular freelance website as well. On Fiverr, you can hire a freelancer as well as work as a freelancer. You only need a few minutes to set up your Fiverr account. You can choose to pay for each gig individually or preload a set amount of money. That is then auto-debited from your account. Obviously, I would recommend the first one when you were starting out. However, once you are using the site frequently, it's nice to just have it auto-debited. Picking a gig once you have done what kind of tasks you want. Use the search feature to start browsing gigs that offer it. For instance, if you want a website created, type in website creation and start looking through the results. Sometimes there will be tons of gigs, and sometimes just a few. Don't get overwhelmed, but look through them deliberately. I like to copy and paste the URLs of the gigs that look promising into a Microsoft Word document so I can keep track of them. Usually, I like to look at around 20 gigs and then narrow. You will be able to judge the gigs by the example content they provide, by how well their gig describes what they do, and the quality and number of their reviews. See which one seems to be the best fit and then hire them. You can hire someone without messaging them first, but it's usually a good idea to do so to make sure they respond and are able to do what you want. From there the gig is opened and a timer starts based on the duration agreed to. Before that duration is up, the seller will typically finish the service and send it to you for review. At that point, you can either accept it or request a revision. Once it meets your expectations, you can sign off on it. So the seller will get paid, and you will be prompted to provide feedback both to Fiverr on how the seller performed, as well as public feedback that the seller will see. You will also have the chance to tip them if you want, but this is optional. Let's see the tips and tricks again. If you are looking to start a side hustle such as launching a website or need SEO services, you will most likely need help along the way. Decide if you are hiring a local freelancer or offshore. Research how much your job cost. Fiverr makes it easy to find out how much it will cost to complete your job. Set a realistic budget. First, all you have to do is keep all your Fiverr communication and business on Fiverr. It will be a violation of Fiverr terms of service if you do business outside with Fiverr. Don't use multiple accounts. Don't choose a seller based on a single score. Read the bad reviews. The bad review typically has more detailed information about why the buyer gave a low rating. Always contact the seller before buying. Getting different answers will help you make a better choice in selecting the winning seller. Avoid using sensitive keywords in your reply. The gig price is always negotiable. For example, if you are making a bulk order or flexible with time, keep in mind that 20% of what the seller earns goes to Fiverr. Buy extras or add-ons. The extra services can buy you faster delivery, an additional revision, or something related to your site. Install the Fiverr app. If you have time-sensitive work and require frequent communication with the seller, you should definitely install the Fiverr mobile app so that you will be notified when the sellers respond. Avoid leaving a bad review. Give the seller time and chances to revise the work and openly communicate what needs to be changed. Pay tip when the seller goes the extra mile. Work toward fostering long-term working relationships. Save and organize your favorite sellers. If you have questions, in addition to the customer service, Fiverr has a community forum for buyers where users can ask questions and share tips. If you enjoy working with sellers on Fiverr, you may want to recommend Fiverr to your friends. Your friends will get 20% off their first purchase, and you get to keep that 20% up to $100. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video, please share so more people like you can see it. And if you are interested to further learn more about freelancing as a career option, head over to the description. It is a very helpful article, especially if you are a beginner freelancer. Links in the description. Goodbye.